Hey guys, welcome to Pick and Talk. My name is Benjamin. In this video, I am going to show you how to buy Bitcoin in Ghana with mobile money on Binance or Paxful. So Bitcoin is known for its high value among other cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is the biggest cryptocurrency on the market right now with $1.92 trillion market cap at the price of $41,000 to $42,000 as in today, April 19th. There are so many ways to make out of Bitcoin. Four ways to make money out of Bitcoin is by trading Bitcoin. So you can make money from Bitcoin by trading it on a known cryptocurrency platform such as Binance or Xness and many more. I'll put a link in the description below for you to check them out. So the short explanation for trading Bitcoin is by predicting the price of Bitcoin, either it is going to fall or rise. So if you choose that it's going to rise while it's low, so if you bid on it and it goes high, that means you have made money out of it. So that is one way of making money on Bitcoin. So the second point is by buying and selling Bitcoin. So to make money out of buying and selling, it's exactly like how you buy or ship product from China and sell it online. So these crypto exchange platforms allows you to buy Bitcoin and sell it at a higher price. So you can buy Bitcoin at a lower price and sell it at a higher price. The third way to make money out of Bitcoin is by investment. So I remember in 2020, I bought my first Bitcoin as at the price of 30,000. Within a month, it rose and I made a lot of money from it by just investing in it whilst it was at the lower price and selling it at a higher price. So the fourth way to make money out of Bitcoin is by staking. So staking is more of being rewarded for investing your money into Bitcoin's transactional pool. So it's the same as investing, but this time, whether Bitcoin rises or falls, you're still going to earn your reward by just investing in Bitcoin transactional pool. So to purchase Bitcoin, you need a crypto exchange platform to purchase your Bitcoin. As a beginner, you need to choose a crypto exchange platform which has low fees, secured and reliable to buy Bitcoin from. So I recommend Binance or Paxful. So before you watch this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to buy on Binance and show you how to buy on Paxful too. So if you want to register on Binance, I'll put the link in the description below to register on Binance. First, what I do is I usually buy USDT, then I convert it to Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. So on the top menu here, I'll click on buy crypto, then I'll click on P2P. So the P2P is usually the transfer between a buyer and a seller. So someone will be buying I will be buying the Bitcoin and the seller who is selling the Bitcoin will also be there with their different prices. So let's click on P2P without wasting much time. So you can see here it says Binance P2P. It's a marketplace where people can trade crypto directly with each other. Okay, so it's giving us a risk notice that to avoid victims, you just read it. Click on I read and agreed. I have read and agreed to the above content. Then click on confirm. So it's just warning you to be very careful when you're trading with other people. So before I buy, what I need to do is I need to scroll to check the ones that I want. So make sure you select the payments that you want to do. So over here, I'll click on the all payments, then go to Momo or mobile money, MTN mobile money. So I'll just click on Momo. So it will filter the people with Momo only. So over here, you can see the payments methods are only Momo. Okay, that's fine. That's what we want. So the price, so you can see the sellers here with their names and the orders they've made and the completion, that's the rates they've been able to complete orders. What we need to do is to make sure that these orders are more and the percentage is also higher. At least I do recommend you buying from people with at least, let's say, 90% upwards, or the lowest should be 85, but I usually like to buy from 90% upwards. The second thing you need to also check is the price. So you can see one USDT is 7.74. As you can see here, the lowest price is the 7.74. So when you scroll down, you see 7.75, Some even sell it 7.78 or 7.8 upwards. So I'll check the price and check the availability. So this person is only having 83 USDT. Then the limits that he can start with 15 cities to 30 cities. Okay, so we won't choose this guy because the amount is small. So usually what I do is I usually like to check the percentage. This person has 94% completion rate. Okay, so now this person is selling it at 7.75, which is cool, with 98% completion rate with over 800 orders completed. Okay, so if I want to buy USDT, I'll just click here. But let me show you how to buy BTC directly. So if you click over here, you can buy BTC directly here. You can also buy Ethereum here by clicking on the Ethereum. Okay, so with the BTC, if you come here, the lowest price is the 3,261 Ghana cedis. I don't usually like buying direct because I'm not able to convert it directly into the Ghana cedi because if you're a beginner, you might not be able to see how much Bitcoin is because this Bitcoin is over 41,000 as I am speaking now. So what I'll do is I usually buy USDT then convert it to BTC. That's what I usually like. But if you want to buy BTC directly here, you can do exactly what I showed you by selecting one of these and click on buy BTC. So if you want to just click on anyone, this person is good. So that's the lowest price. So he's selling from 30, so you can buy from 30 cities to 747 cedis. So if you want to buy, you can click on buy BTC here. So when you click on buy BTC, you can type the amount that you want to buy. If you want to buy 500 cedis, so this is the amount that you're going to receive, the BTC here. So you receive 0.00153327 BTC. Then you click on buy BTC. So this is the terms and conditions that the person usually puts on. So the payment time is 15 minutes and the person accepts Vodafone cards, Momo, MTN. So there is the terms and conditions. Just read through this and click on buy BTC. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to buy the BTC directly here and later show you how to buy USDT and convert it back to BTC. So I'll click on buy BTC. What I'll do is I'll click on either MTN mobile money or Momo or which payments I want to do. This is the full name that will appear on the mobile money number, and there's the number. Then after you've successfully transferred the money, what you do is you click notify seller. So when you are buying on Binance, you have to be very, very careful. As I told you, make sure that the person is having good trades with good percentage completion rate. So you just read through this one here and I'll click on close. So before I send the money, make sure that the person is online. So go to the message center here. So I'm just chatting to see whether the person is online before I send the money to the person. So if I don't send the money to the person within 13 minutes, the order will be cancelled. So you can see the timer here. So as I said, make sure the person chats you back before you send the money to the person. So if you can see here, I am waiting for the person to chat me back. So I'll pause this video and wait for the person to reply back. So you can see here the person has replied, said yes, boss. I'll send a message to the person saying that sending now. Okay, so I've sent the money to the person. So after sending the money to the person on my phone, what I'll do is I'll click on transfer notify seller. So what I'll do is I'll send a message to the person that sent. So we can see the order is completed. We have successfully received the BTC from the seller. So after sending the money to the seller released the Bitcoin. So you also get a message in your email confirming the transaction that has gone on. Okay, so let's go. If you want to check our accounts now, you can click on the icon here, then go to dashboard. Okay, so I'll scroll down here. So I can also click on wallet here, go to overview. Okay, so you can see here that I have 62. So as Bitcoin goes up and down, the value also goes up and down. So you can see it was 63, now it's 62. This is how you check your balance by going to wallet and go to overview. So if you want to buy Bitcoin on Paxful, you come to Paxful, make sure you register I already registered and I've logged in. So over here, just register and log in, then come to select the coin that you want to buy. You can buy 3 coins on Paxful, Bitcoin, Theta, that is USDT, and Ethereum. So I'll click on Bitcoin, then select the payment method I want to enter the amount that I want to buy, let's say 500 cedis. So you can see the Bitcoin value over here. Then I'll click on find orders. So the process on Binance is exactly the same on Paxful. So you come here, you select someone you want to buy from. So you can see the user is online. Make sure you see that the user is online. So you can see over here, this person was online like 2 minutes ago. So this is how you buy from Paxful. So if you want to buy, you click on buy Bitcoin. If I am buying 500 cedis, the 2% increase, so the 2% increment is going to affect my money by, so I'll get 489 Ghana cedis worth of Bitcoin. So if I want to buy, I can still change my Bitcoin here. Let's say if I want to buy 400, I can. So you see that it changes the amount. So I can change it back to 500 again. Then what I do is make sure the person has good rating, good positive feedback. So what I would do is you read the terms and condition here. Then you can see there are other people who also bought from this seller. So if I want to buy, I'll click on buy now. Okay, so this is the chat side. You can send a person a message before you send the money to his Paxful account. So I'll send a message after he replies, like what we did on Binance. Then I'll click on paid. Within this minute, he should release the Bitcoin to us, like exactly like how it happened on Binance. Okay, so I'm not going to buy on Paxful for now. I'll cancel the trade. So I believe this video helped you. So if this video helped you, kindly click the like button to turn into gray or blue and smash the subscribe button for more content like this.